Wednesday, October 21st, 2020. Today we have 3 pledgers from Ms. Posada's classroom. In fact, we are live from the 5th grade classroom, and these pledgers, their names are
Annalise, Michael, Emmanuel.
All right, if you could, please stand, pledge our Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance
To the flag of the United States of America and to the republic of which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, liberty and justice for all.
this flag.
Honor the Texas flag of the United States of America and to the republic of which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible.
All right, we're going to redo that one real quick. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee. Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. All right, Wildcats, you may be seated. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has a right to feel safe. You have a right to feel loved, and you have a right to feel respected. This means at home, on the bus, or during the school day. So if there is anyone at home at school or on the bus that makes you feel unloved, makes you feel disrespected, or that makes you feel unsafe, tell someone. The biggest part is finding an adult that you trust that you can tell. All right, today we do have a couple of birthdays in the house. Happy birthday to Gabrielle in 1st grade, Melanie and Sunny in 5th grade. Happy. The character education themes for the month of October are compassion and tolerance. According to Lyndon Baines Johnson, the 36th President of the U.S., if we are to live together in peace, we must come to know each other better. Former President Johnson believed that being tolerant was necessary, and we must know each other as people before we will see tolerance. I have a couple of messages. Campus t-shirts are on sale. They start at $10. This is done through our RevTrack. Also, let your parents know that they can join PTA. Friday is Pink Out for Breast Cancer Awareness, so wear your pink. Also, Friday, we are going to have a food mobile in the old parking lot on Sarah's Lane, so that's from 4 to 6. And then the big news is that next week is Red Ribbon Week, so we're going to have fun days of dressing every day. You can start getting your clothes ready. The first day, Monday, is to wear red, white, and blue because it is a political year, so you get to choose to be drug-free. So go home and get out your favorite red, white, and blue. Okay, Wildcats, today we're seeing everybody wearing their orange. So why? Why do we wear orange? October is National Bullying Prevention Month, and we pledge to be together against bullying and united for kindness, acceptance, and inclusion. So at this time, so that we can show our pledge against bullying, I would like you in your class to repeat after me. I pledge to speak up.
I pledge to speak up
When I see bullying.
when I see bullying.
I pledge to reach out.
I pledge to reach out
To others who are being bullied.
to others who are being bullied.
And to be a friend
And to be a friend
whenever I see bullying.
whenever I see bullying.
I'm also going to send all of your teachers a link where you can take the pledge online, or I can give it to you in paper. If you do fill it out in paper, everybody comes with their own pencil and they sign the paper, and you can put the paper outside your door so that everyone knows that you are a bully-free classroom. Thank you so much. With something to think about, this is Mrs. Marsh saying, make it a great day or not.
The choice is yours!
Oh, that is so awesome. Thank you so much, 5th graders. That's right, the choice is yours, and we hope that today you choose to make it a wonderful and whimsical Wednesday.